We're still working with consecutive odd or even integers. A list of 3 shown algebraically would be x for the first one, x plus 2 for the second one, and x plus 4 for the third one. Whether the problem said consecutive odd or consecutive even, this is the way to set them up using algebra. If you look at your document of application problems, we're looking at the consecutive integers problem number 3. Number 3 says 5 times the first of 2 consecutive odd integers is 3 times the second. 5 times means we're going to multiply, and they want to multiply by the first in a list of 2 consecutive odd integers. And what they've told us is that 5 times the first is, meaning equals, 3 times the second. And first and second here are talking about our list of 2 consecutive odd integers. The first one would be represented in our list by x, and the second one in our list is represented by x plus 2, since we're working with odds. So now I can write my algebra equation. 5 times that first one is 5x. That's equal to 3 times the second one. Now be careful, because I cannot just put 3 here. I have to show 3 times that entire quantity of x plus 2. So now I've shown 5 times my first variable of x is equal to 3 times the second number, which is 2 larger than x. Now I can solve my equation and we'll be able to check our answer. 5x is equal to, we're going to use the distributive property here, 3x plus 6. Now if I subtract 3x from both sides, 2x is equal to 6. Divide by 2, I have my solution of x is equal to 3. We let x be representing the first value in our list. So the first of those consecutive odd integers we solved to be 3. So if the first is 3, then our second one, which we decided would be x plus 2, is going to be equal to 5. 3 and 5 are the 2 numbers that I've solved for. Let's double check our answer. First, do you see that we were supposed to be solving for 2 consecutive odd integers? Did I do that? Are 3 and 5 both odd and consecutive? Sure. We can check the math as well, because the problem says 5 times this first one. 5 times this first one, well, that'd be 15. Is the same as 3 times this next one. If I take that and multiply by 3, sure, I get the same value. So I was correct in my solution of 3 and 5.